Hey everyone and welcome to Boss Advisory. Today we're going to discuss if is it possible to get rich on minimum wage. Minimum wage workers can become millionaires. Riches aren't earned but saved and invested. In this video, I'll share 3 ways to earn rich on minimum pay. First, practice thriftiness. Many misunderstand frugality. It simply means being intentional on how you manage and spend money. Many are poor people today not because they don't make enough money, but because they don't know how to keep it. Frugality lets you distinguish needs from wants so you don't waste money. Frugality can help you achieve financial freedom and retire early. First step to that is to decide to improve your finances. Once you decide, adjusting your lifestyle to accomplish your financial goals is easier. Next, you need a budget to track your income and expenses. Survey says 65% of adults don't know where their money goes, so most people are poor. By making a budget, you'll know how you're spending and can modify it immediately. A budget will help you realize when you're spending too much on something you can go without, such as coffee. You get $1,000 at year's end if you cut down on coffee. Planning your meals and cooking in quantity is another method to be thrifty. Food is one of the 3 biggest expenses, so reducing its cost may save you a lot of money. Buying only what you need saves money. If you don't plan your meals, you may buy food that goes to waste. Bulk purchases save money. Saving a few dollars in every item you buy might add up to a large sum over time. By eliminating brand names, you can save money. Buying used items saves money. Used clothing, textbooks, and even an automobile are available. Internet pricing comparisons can save you money before a purchase. It's easy to search for an item and see how much it costs at multiple stores. Cancel your subscriptions to save money. There are probably several memberships you don't utilize that drain your finances every month. Many folks have unused gym memberships. If you're paying for a membership, determine if it's actually worth it. Being thrifty doesn't mean stopping expending. Spending money wisely means buying goods and services. Avoiding debt saves money. Too many loans is one reason people struggle financially nowadays. Battling debts makes it hard to save money. Second, leverage free education. If you're making minimum wage, you may not have the qualifications for a higher paying work. Most people graduate with student loans that take years to pay off. You can learn, though, any skill even if you're poor. Public libraries offer free education. Rich folks spend a lot of time reading and learning. Oprah Winfrey, Mark Cuban, and Warren Buffett credit books for their success. Buffett reads hundreds of books. He reads every day and keeps up with the news. Bill Gates reads a lot. He finishes 1 book per week, or 52 per year. YouTube also offers free education. There's virtually nothing you're searching for that you can find on YouTube. It's the second largest search engine with millions of videos. YouTube users watch 1 billion hours of video daily. You'll find channels on personal, financial, technology, freelancing, copywriting, fashion, and many more. All you need to learn from YouTube is an internet-connected gadget, which you already have. What are you waiting for? Start learning now. Google and other search engines offer free education as well. If you have questions, a search engine will provide pages of answers. Due to the many search results, some information may be incorrect. So be cautious. There are various authority sources where you may verify online results. Online portals like Allison and Coursera are also useful. These platforms offer business, programming, design, and other courses. W3 School and Code Academy are programming-focused sites. Udemy also offers free education. This platform has global professionals teaching several skills. Most courses cost money, but free ones also exist. Mentors offer free education. Mentors are successful people you admire. You can learn from a mentor's errors and triumphs. A mentor keeps you accountable and focused. Mentors can help you set goals and establish a plan to attain them. Third, invest for the long term. I know investing is easier said than done, especially when you're on a low wage and have to pay for transportation, food, housing, clothing, and other things. You should have enough money to start by being frugal, as I suggested earlier in the video. Many people think they need a lot of money to invest, but that's not true. Investing is a means to make money. So any amount works. $1 invested now could grow to hundreds or thousands. A $5,000 investment at Amazon's 1997 IPO would be worth almost $1 million in May 2020 when the stock price was at its all-time high. I'll explain. The only way to get rich on $7.25 per hour is to invest. Assume you can work 40 hours a week. After 50 weeks, you'll have $14,500 before taxes. Let's say you don't pay tax on this video and see how much you can save. Assuming accommodations are free, minimum wage for transportation or other expenses, how long would it take to save $1 million? Minimum wage saves $1 million in 69 years. Investing is the best strategy to become wealthy on minimum wage. In this video, I'll discuss long-term index fund investing to get rich. An index fund monitors the S&P 500's performance. S&P 500 index returns average 10% annually. Buffett says a low-cost index fund is the best equity investment for most people. Let's examine how much you'd need to invest to become a billionaire at different ages. I suppose the annual minimum salary for all these cases is $14,500. If you started working at 18, you need to invest 3.9% of your income, or $47.24 weekly. Then you'll become a 70-year-old millionaire. If you wait until age 40, you must invest 36.6% of your income, or $442.38 monthly, to have $1 million at age 70. If you're still unconvinced, let me tell you about a janitor who made millions on minimum wage. Former Vermont janitor and gas station attendant Ronald Reed. Many were startled when he died in 2014 with over $8 million. He worked hard and lived frugally, donating much to charity. His friends stated he only spends when necessary. He learned about investing in the library for free. At his death, he had invested in at least 95 equities and held most of them for the long term, which strained his finances. Therefore, these are the steps to getting rich on a minimum wage. Thank you guys so much for watching Boss Advisory. If you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and hit the bell so you get notified on every new incredible content we make for you. Have a wonderful day and see you on the next one.